Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we're going to show you how to turn off automatic keyboard Android so you can quickly snap your favorite people with just one tap. Let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your Android phone and open the Settings app. You'll recognize it by the gear-shaped icon. It's usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see General Management. Go ahead and tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. Next, find the option that says Keyboard List and Default and tap on it. This is where your keyboard settings are managed. Step 4. Now, from the list of installed keyboards, look for Gboard. This is Google's default keyboard on most Android devices. Tap on it to move ahead. Step 5. Inside the Gboard settings, scroll down until you see Text Correction, then tap on it. This section controls all the smart typing features. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Auto Correction. Right now it's turned on by default. Just tap the toggle switch to turn it off. This stops the keyboard from changing your words automatically. Step 7. Then scroll down a little further and find Auto Capitalization. Tap the toggle to turn this off too. And just like that, you've successfully turned off automatic keyboard features on Android. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.